Today I'm making winter melon tea, a very unusual but refreshing drink. I have 2.5 pounds of winter melon and it can be very big. So I just got a piece and I cut off the skin and took off the seeds. I'm gonna dice it in 1/2-inch pieces, cubes. I'm pouring 3/4 cups of brown sugar and mixing it up real good. Then I'm going to let it sit covered for 1 hour. Now I'm adding 1/2 cup of rock sugar and covering everything with water, about 1 inch above the melon. Now I'm going to put this on the stove, bring it to a boil, cover it, and simmer it for 1.5 hours. Okay, I've cooked the squash for 1.5 hours. Now it's cooled and I'm going to pour it into my Blendtec. Now I'm going to puree it. This is your syrup. Now to make the juice, what you're going to do is take 1 part of the syrup, put it in a glass, and then I have 2 parts of water here. You can add more water if you like. Just stir it up. Let's try it. Refreshing.